Kya Coloring Book, and today we'll color the cheeky monkey. Come on, Vidushi, do it.
Yes.
Yeah, choose the maroon. Color the monkey. And its tail. Right?
Right.
Last time you did this picture, you forgot to color his tail. So, don't do that again. Now change the color palette.
Yes.
Take the same maroon color, I think so.
Yes.
For his tummy and his palm and his mouth. Whoa, that looks nice. It's in a contrast, right?
You're right.
What about his tummy? Good. Is he going to eat a white banana? No, I don't think so. So, I'll help you mix the colors, okay?
Okay.
So, a little bit of white. 3 drops of white.
Okay.
Maybe 1 or 2 drops of grey. And 1 drop of orange. 5 drops of yellow. Whoa, that's too dark. Light, light, light.
Done.
Yeah, now you can fill his banana, and the banana peel, you can use the solid yellow. No, this, not the brush. Yeah, use this. Why are you choosing the brush? Choose this. Yeah. Now fill his banana. Not the banana peel. The banana. The banana, not the banana peel. Good. Now fill the banana. Peel. My bad. Looks like you should add in a little bit more grey and white so that it looks more like a whitish banana. I'll help you with that.
No, I don't want that.
But it needs to look like a real banana. It does. Right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit of grey. I think so. This is fine.
The brush is still
Looks much better. Okay, now I think so you should color the branches and the leaves. So
Yes.
do it.
Yes.
We can leave the eyes like that, and for the mouth you can color pink. Do the pink. No, not that one. The one below. Yeah. Or you can make it a lighter one. This one. Yup. Perfectly fine.
Pull up.
Okay, now fill in the branches. Come on, do it. Now the other side. Now the leaves. You need to color it leaf by leaf. Next one. And the next one.
Yay, this is for last one.
Good, you did it. So this is the cheeky monkey, and this is our today's video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
Goodbye.